Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Scott here. We got Cody and Trevor from Chutebros. You guys have heard them or seen them, but I'm sure you have if you're on Instagram because they got like, what, 3 times the following that I have. They're also on YouTube. You guys have a YouTube channel, which is the same, Chutebros. Yes, so check them out. They reached out to us for oil undercoating. They're actually like an hour ahead north. And typically we'd be done oil undercoating for the year because it's almost December. But we were able to squeeze them in. They got their project car down here. We'll talk about that in a second. And we're going to take them through the steps of oil undercoating. Steve is actually already starting to hammer through on the oil undercoating on this thing. And but in the meantime, we're going to let Cody explain the build and kind of what they have. They're into the budget builds like we are, the daily average Joe type of build. So take it away, man.
Yeah, so I mean, it's just a 2013 Subaru WRX. It's pretty much only got a aftermarket exhaust on it. But when we got it, it was slammed, which was awful because there's maybe like this much ground clearance, and if you're trying to rally a car you want a little more than that. So we ripped out the old coilovers in it and put in the stock suspension, which isn't rally suspension but gives it a good amount of ground clearance for us, at least to get through a pothole on a dirt road. We put some Sparco Terra rims on it, which actually came with pretty much slicks, so we got to get those figured out too before the snow comes. But
yeah, like a street racing tire.
I know, seriously, they're like street racing tires.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's pretty much all stock engine, stock turbo, nothing crazy done to it. So it's the budget rally build, and hopefully we can get it ready to rip.
And as you can see, this car it's just surface rust on this one, but you know, these guys caught it in time. Like I said, they wanted to last, they wanted to be rugged for rally racing. So we're gonna penetrate this thing with a good New Hampshire oil undercoating. It's gonna prevent anything from further rusting because it really soaks into the rust. And that's where like your rubberized coating and all that crap doesn't work. It just holds in moisture and rust. Oil will soak right in. It doesn't even matter. You could do this with your vehicle wet and still the oil will penetrate it, which is good. And then it fogs the whole upside of the bed. And then like on trucks and you have the cross frames, those the tubes in the frames, same thing. You can go right straight through those with this thing. They work. About this, Steve's never going to let me live this down because, well, he's basically doing everything and I'm just talking about it. So thank you, Steve.
Oh, my pleasure.
Big thank you to Brunt. As you can see here, we got the Marins and the Omens. That's right, the Omens. Steve's over there rocking the Marins. He's actually got bloody turkey guts on it, so he's processed like 80 turkeys last weekend, and this weekend he's oil undercoating. So thank you, Brunt. Alright guys, it's going to bring us to the end of this episode where today we took the Project Rally car here for Chutebros and we oil undercoated it, got it done for them. They're ready for their next step with their next mods and everything else they're doing, so make sure you jump over and check out their YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe on our channel. Take care, guys.